Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for your participation. Your participation regarding my channel is phenomenal. Thanks for supporting me, and I am glad to see you again. So, let's get started. In our today's video, I am going to show you some do it by yourself metal welding project for a beginner. So, here we go. Welding is an exciting and rewarding skill to learn, and it's not as difficult as it may seem at first glance. With a few basic tools and material, even a beginner welder can create a variety of do-it-by-yourself projects that are both practical and fun. In this video, we will explore some do-it-by-yourself welding projects that are perfect for beginners. First of all, welder fire pit. One of the most popular do-it-by-yourself welding project for beginner is welding fire pit. All you need a sheet of steel or other metal, a grinder, welding machine, and some fire-resistant paint. Cut the metal sheet into a circle or square, and then use the grinder to smooth out the edges. Weld the edges together far from a ring or a box, leaving a small opening for the fire to be lit. Then add legs and grate for the fire to sit on. Paint the outside of the fire pit with fire resistant paint, and then you have a great addition to any backyard. If you are looking for a smaller and more decorative project, weld bookends are a great option. Start with two pieces of metal, such as steel or brass, and cut them into a desired shape using a grinder or jigsaw. Then weld the piece together to create a sturdy base for books. You can add decorative elements such as curves, cutouts, and add flares. Finally, paint the bookend to match your decor. A welded coat rack is another simple project that can be completed in just a few hours. Start with a piece of metal pipe, tubbing a cut into several pieces of equal length. Weld the pieces project in a rectangular shape and add a hook for a coat and the hat. And you can paint the coat rack to match your decor and leave it bare for an industrial look. If you are a cyclist, a weld bike rack is a particular and fun project to try. Use steel tubbing to create a frame that will hold your bike securely. Weld the pieces together and a hook and clamps to hold the bikes in place. And you can paint the bike rack to match your garage or leave it bare for an industrial look. A candle holder is another welding project that can be add a touch of personality to your candle holder collection, and you can create a variety of shapes and style depending on your preference. One popular design is simple cylinder shape with a cutout to allow light and shine through, and you can also experiment with different material such as steel, brass for a unique look. If you enjoy garden, a welded garden trails can add a touch of elegance to your yard, and you can create a simple design with straight line or get more creative with curved or the intricate shapes. And you can also use different materials such as steel or copper to create a unique look. A welded picture frame can be a beautiful addition to your home decor. You can create a simple square or rectangular shape or get more creative with shape like heart or the stars. You can also experiment with different finishes like painting or powder coating to match your decor. Welding wall art is a great way to add a personalized touch to your home decor. You can create abstract design using simple geometric shape or get more creative with design like trends and animals. And you can also experiment with different materials like copper to aluminum to create a unique textures and the finishes. A welded plant stand can be a stylish way to display your indoor plants. You can create a simple design with straight lines, get more creative with curved to intricate shapes, and you can also use different materials such as steel base and brass and to create a unique look. A welded wine rack can be a fun and a functional addition to your home decor. You can create a simple design with straight line or get more creative with unique shape like tree or a spiral, and you can also experiment with different materials like steel or copper to create a unique look. A welded table can be a unique and functional addition to your home decor. You can create simple design with straight lines or get more creative with a unique shape like a hexagon and the triangles. And you can also experiment with different materials like steel or the aluminum, create unique look. In conclusion, welding is a great skill to learn, and there are plenty of do it by yourself home decor projects that are perfect for beginner. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here, and do subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos.